for practice, for to create the customer master, I should
Yeah.
have this
Which
recapitulation. I'll take a screenshot of it so that I can remember
no
this.
need to take the screenshot. The customer we are seeing daily, right? That 100092, right?
Yeah,
So
but
that
grouping number I was taking
grouping you can take from BUT triple zero.
B. Okay.
Yesterday I shown you, right? BUT triple zero contains the BP grouping, and for customer account group you need to go to KNA1. So then you can see the customer account group also. But the
Okay.
customer account is fine, that will come automatically when you take the BP grouping and BP role, all those things you take, no? Customer account group will automatically come actually. So you
Okay.
only have an option to select BP grouping. Okay,
Okay.
sometimes these people ask you when you create a BP, what you select. So then you need to select, first we select whether we are going to create the customer as a individual customer, as an organization, or as a group. Then we have to select the BP role. And then we have to select the BP grouping. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
That's why you see the number what you got is a different, and when you take this BP03, the number range what you will get will be a different one.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you can create it. That's fine. You try to create BP. You take the BP03, put some basic data, and then save it. That's it.
Okay.
Save it right away. That's fine.
But I got to know that a business partner and one more field should be the same to get it easier.
Business partner, right?
1 second. Business partner and
Leave it. Just go to BP. Just go to BP. Create it. That's fine. No need to worry. Take BP03. Put some name. Put some name. The name is highlighted, right? That name. Put some name. No, not there. Not there. That's a business partner number. Don't put
yeah.
it. Business partner number. You delete it. If it is external, it will ask you to put. Don't put it by default. Okay. You see, it is creating
Yeah.
when
Create.
okay. I think someone has changed the number ranges also. So now you see this BP is created now. So this is your BP now, business partner number. And when we
So
have
for
to,
now we have created business partner.
yeah, till now you are only created business partner. It's not customer, it's not vendor, it's not your employee, nothing. You have not told the system how this business partner is going to work in your company.
So now we should assign business partner with uh, what is it called? 1 second.
Sales role.
Like yeah, yeah, yeah.
What we call it, we will assign the sales role to this BP. Okay. Now go to
Yes.
change mode again. Okay. Now go to drop down. First you assign that take that what do you call company code, because that will last you very less data. Go to company. That FLQ some 01 was there. No? Scroll down. Let me tell you the name. I don't remember actually, because if people sometimes take it. Z, no, not Z. It's, FLCU 01. FLCU 01.
FL FLC01. Yes, customer.
Yeah. So this is for customer. Okay. Now you see you are getting the sales and distribution, all those things.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So if you assign this, put some data. Go to sales and distribution. Go to sales and distribution button. Click on that button. Yeah. Put that you are seeing the sales org as a blank, right? Put ZORG. Put distribution channel as ZC, and then division as ZD. So what we are trying to do here, we are trying to create one customer master basically, right? Press enter.
Cus-
Now you see the below fields are editable now, right?
Yes, yes.
They will be asterisk mark. Don't put all this data, not required. Scroll down further. There are few more data. Take the other scroll that is here, no scroll bar. Yeah, scroll down. Take the third one. Take the third scroll button. No, the left one, the extreme left one. Yeah. Wait. Go up slightly up. You see in the currency, you see that asterisk mark, right?
Yes.
So that means it's a mandatory field. You cannot ignore this field. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Like
you just
Like the field with a red mark is mandatory. We should,
Mandatory.
yeah.
Okay, now just try to save it. Let's not bother. Let's save it. It will automatically tell you whichever data is missing. Just try to save. You see, it says
Oh,
country is
yes.
important. Put some country. Press enter. Now try to save. Put one by one. Whatever it is asking, just put a one by one. Put English.
Let's see.
Changes has been
Changes
saved.
have.
Now go to sales and distribution again. Scroll up. Scroll up to the top. To the top. To the top. Go to the top. Okay, now do one thing. Click on display to double check whether our sales area is extended or not. Go to display mode. Now we are in the display mode, right? Still we see that sales area. That means our sales role is extended now. Just now don't do anything. Just go to BP role now. Go to drop down in the BP role. Oh no, here only. Yeah. Now these many roles are extended. When you created the BP actually, by default it assigned that the third one and the fourth one. Okay. You don't have to worry about that one. But what we did, we created BP that 00 role. Then we have assigned that business partner as the customer. That is
Customer.
FLCU01. Now do one same thing. Go to edit mode and try to assign that company code role that FLCU00.
0 0.
Okay. Go to display. So as of now, your data is created, but you cannot use it because there are multiple things which is missing actually. Okay, but yeah, you have some customer now with your own data actually.
So I should assign with FLCU 00.
00, yeah. That role we will assign, or that role we will give to this
F5.
business partner. Simple. See, what role is going to play basically, right?
Okay.
Now go to
Company.
company code. Yeah.
Company.
Just types ZCOM something. I think that is our company.
Jaguar. Jaguar G.
No, not ZOR. That was or sales of no.
Okay.
One. Wait, I'll tell you which company code you should take. Take ZCON, press enter, enter. Yeah, now see, do you get any option in the reconciliation account?
Reconciliation account, yes.
Yes, yeah, press F4 there.
F4. Oh,
You get
okay.
few entry. Select anyone, that's fine. Let's select anyone. Let's see what happens. Try to save it.
Change.
So now it is saved, right? So you
Yes.
see, it depends basically which company code you are taking. If you're taking
Okay.
your own company code, maybe that reconciliation account will not come because, as I told you, this reconciliation account is also linked to some company code and all, right? And we
Yes,
are
sir.
not the owner of this one, so we don't bother how it comes and all. Simply when obviously this is a finance role, so the finance consultant or finance user will maintain all this. But for your purpose, if for some reason you are going to create it, so what you will do, even for testing purpose, in the real world, what will happen? Let's say you are going to perform some testing, and you are getting some error regarding this reconciliation account. So what you will do, you will connect with your FI consultant, and you will ask them, boss, tell me which company code and which reconciliation account I should take.
Yesterday, I tried to create by watching YouTube. Deepak. It's
Oh, no,
saying
that's
GL
fine.
something.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah.
That
That's
is
why.
fine. You can learn like this also. That is fine.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you, Deepak.
So now this customer is created. This customer has been given to customer sales role also, and this customer is sent to the finance role also.
Financial also.
Okay.
Okay.
To take or to work any business partner as a customer, these three role has to be there: the general data, the sales role, and the finance role.
Yes.
Okay. Without this, you will not be able to create your end-to-end cycle. Somewhere you will get stuck. Somewhere you will get some error.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So these three are mandatory. More than that, you can have. You can have some employee. You can have some vendor. You can have the create management role. All those things you can have. But at least these three
So
are
for SD, these three are important, right? Deepak,
right. For
what
these
you are
three,
saying.
at least, yeah, these are required. Without this, you cannot create your order to invoice.
These two and 000.
Triple zero,
Double
yeah.
zero, double zero.
Triple zero, anyway, you will create. No, any customer or vendor or what you call employee or transporter, anything you are creating. First, you will create as a BP only, right? Means
Yes, sir.
business partner only.
That's it.
Audible?
Yes, Deepak.
Yeah. So this is the BP grouping 1500. It has a number is number 1A and it is marked as external. Okay, let's go there and let's see what is 1A. So 1A means from triple A to ZZZZ you can give. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's try to create a business partner by taking a BP grouping at 1500. Let me see, do you have any other BP grouping similar? No, we have only one BP grouping which is marked as external. That's fine. We can mark it anyway, but let's not change all this config. Let us try to create a BP now. The code is business partner. Okay, this is something which you will find from which you can search it actually. How you it will help you to search by search term, by the external number, by number in this. If you know the number, you can simply click here and you can open your BP. But as of now, we are not going to search, we are going to create. So we'll click on this icon, create organization. This role is fine. I mean, this 00 general loan, anyway, I said, whenever you're creating any partner, customer, vendor, anything, you have to first create as a BP and you have to give the general role. Now, what 1500 I told you, right? I should take 1500. Okay. Now you see, as soon as I enter, let me show it again. If I take BP03, let me take BP03. System has not given me any error or warning that you need to put the number. But if I take 1500, see, BP grouping 1500 has an external number assignment. Please enter a valid number. Where I will enter this BP number now? Here. Let's try 1234 first. Will it allow 1234?
No.
Why? Because this is not the 1A is having a
Uh,
number range from triple A to some ZZZZ, right?
right.
So it should not allow. Let's see. I don't know who gave this number to one. I mean,
Yes, the
okay.
triple A and
Yeah. You
Z.
see what it is saying? Number not in the interval triple A to 5 times Z. Why? Because this BP grouping 1500. Close this.
So, Deepak, is it possible to give this kind of number ranges like
Yeah,
triple
this
A
is
to
fine.
Z?
Yeah, and alphanumeric you can give, but generally it's not
So,
very
what
common.
will be after triple A? Next number?
Triple A, double A B, double A C.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
that's what now see when you give this alphabetic, no, it's very confusing actually. So that's why you always
Okay.
go for a numeric only.
Numeric.
Okay.
Right.
So clear why I am getting that error? Why I cannot give 1, 2, 3, 4 as a external number in, and if I don't give it, anyway system will throw me error that it's external number. You have to give some external number also. Clear? Any questions so far? Anyone?
So because you are given alphabetical number range, right?
No, alphanumeric anyway, that's fine. Any alphanumeric be it anything. Okay, let me do one more thing. I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But this 1, 2, 3, 4, where is that? Yeah, wait. Oh, I think I closed that window itself. Okay, I closed that one. Wait, I'll go again. SPRO. Don't bother about all this config and all. This is very complicated. Don't bother on this. Okay. If you understand how this BP works, that itself is enough for you people. Okay, now partner, basic setting, number range and grouping. So I told you 1500 has the number range number 01. Number range number is nothing but a denotation basically. It doesn't have any config. It simply tells you which number range from and to. That's it. So 1A means what is the range of 1A? You come here and then you can see 1A means triple A to 510Z. Let's try to put double AB. That should be allowed, right? Let's see. Or let's say triple A also. That's fine because nobody has created any customer so far. You see, here one more field is important actually. When you can see triple A to this ZZZZ. But what is the number status as of now?
Zero.
0 means no one has created any customer with this number range.
Correct.
Okay. Also, if you see 03, it is 1200109. But when Usman created a customer or BP, it has given 120000106. Okay. So sometimes the status you will find some slightly higher than what is the current status, current number ranges. Why? Because system keeps some number ranges as a buffer actually. Okay, let's say I gave you number ranges from 1 to 100 and I keep some 10 number ranges as a buffer. So when you create one, I'll tell 10 numbers are used. When you create second, I'll tell 11 number ranges you have consumed. When you create the third one, I'll tell 13 number ranges have been consumed. 10 I'm keeping as a reserved basically. Okay, so that's why you get some different number actually. That will be slightly higher, maybe 2, 5, 10. That's it. Not more than that basically. Okay, let's try it. As of now, it's 0. Let's try to create AAA customer. We'll give some name 1500 external. Okay, we'll not put any other data. We'll just simply save it.
Deepak, I have a doubt.
Yeah,
The number range which is showing status 0.
right.
Suppose if we want to create something, we can delete that and we can create, right?
No, that you cannot do because see now what we did. Let's see what we did. We created one customer AAA, right?
Yes.
So basically, we have consumed one number ranges from that what do you call that range. So it will not update
Yes.
automatically. You have to go back and you have to come again. Right? Let's go back. And then you have to come again to see the changes. Wait, why it is not showing? Wait, let me open a scenario because I don't want to go to that path again.
Deepak, can we use that number numeric one for better understanding?
Yeah, we can use it.
Because
Let me see. Okay, let's take then the something which has the number actually because this ABC I also have never used actually to be honest. It's very confusing. So mm, okay, that's fine. Let us mark some number range first. Let's take 73. What is 73? 73, this one. Okay, let's mark this as external first.
Already using someone, I guess.
Yeah, I think someone already using it. I think we cannot mark it external now.
You can create a number like 300 to 399. 399.
Yeah, we can create, but that number range has to be free. When you can create like this also. You see, you can insert your own number range. Let's try to create one our own. Wait, I'll try to show you something more here. Okay. So now let me go to the Excel first. Okay. Now let's take this example. For BP, let's say I gave you the number, total number like 1 to, let's take small number so that you understand. 1 to 4 times 9. This is a total number range I give you. Then you create some interval into, right? Let's say you created Z1. That means 1 to 50 or let's say 1 to 100. Now how much you are left with? Or let's say 1 to 999. Let's take 1 to 999 for simple calculation. What was the total number range you have assigned to business partner?
1 to 999.
1 to 4 times 9. You
Oh,
have
yeah.
already created one interval as Z1, which is from 1 to 999. Now how much is left?
9,000.
9,000. But can I create something like this? Can I create another interval as Z2 which should start from 50 to 100? Is it possible?
No, because 999 is already there in
Exactly,
50.
because this number range what I am trying to assign here, it is already consumed here itself in the Z1. So anything I have to give like this only 1000. Then I can give any number like 1005 or
Okay.
anything. That is fine. Number
1,000.
ranges cannot overlap. Correct? Clear this much?
Yeah.
So now in this case, see, since we have taken very small examples, you can easily see. But you see in the real world how this is. So
No,
many number ranges, very difficult to find which is free. So there is an option as SAP
yes.
has given. You click on this interval, you click on this free interval. Only some free interval determined. Okay, let's click OK. So now you see these all are free. You can use these intervals. You don't have
Okay.
to do your calculation manually. Let's take this one as an example. Okay, 3 4 times 70 to this one. Okay, just remember this number 3 4 times 70 to 309999. Okay, and let's
How many
create.
numbers are there in between that,
Okay,
Deepak?
now sorry, Kumar.
How many numbers are there in between that two? Like, how many column item like we can see in that two?
Oh, sorry, we have to see the free interval, right? Hey, why it says no free interval found? Just now it was showing that free interval, right? Yeah. Yeah. What was your question, Mohan? Come again.
Like 30 double six triple six 770.
Hmm.
From that number to this number, how many numbers are there? Like
You can just
we can.
you can simply subtract it. No, you can use the you can use your
Okay.
calculator and you can find it. That's fine.
Okay.
Right. Let's see if I try to find this. Just simply open your calculator. That is the maximum number
30 double
3059,
nine triple nine.
559, right? Minus 30470. 30410. So in this number range, if I take this number range, I can create up to 99,929.
Yeah.
Okay. You can take any number. You can take any number range basically. These all number ranges are free. You can take any number range in this one. Okay, so I'm just taking this one. You can take any one. You want me to take any other number ranges?
No, got it. Got it.
Understood, no? Okay, let's take
Yeah.
this one. So this is free. You see, there is no number range number assigned to that one. So we will create our own. Okay, let's see. Z1 is there. Z2 is not there. Let's try to create Z2. We'll go to edit mode. You see, this is the display mode. You go to edit. You see, this is your insert line. Means you are going to create some number range number. This is Z2 we are going to create. And what was the number? 3, 4 times 0, 70, right? What was the number? I forgot. Yeah. So 3, 4 times 0, 70, 309999. 30. Clear? Now I will
So,
mark this as external. I will save it. So basically what I did, I created a interval for my own purpose. Let's go to display to double check. System is slow. Wait. Go back and come again. Z2 is there right now. We have Z2, this to this, and we have not consumed anything. Let's do one thing. We'll assign this Z2 to 15.0 BP grouping. Clear?
okay.
So BP grouping, let's say 1500 only, we will assign 73.
Z2.
Sorry, Z2, sorry, my bad. Z2, right? So now when I will create 1500, let's save it. Let's go to
So
display.
it is external clicked. Okay, okay,
Yeah, so
okay.
this is external now. Now it will not, you cannot assign, you cannot let system decide. You told the system, I will give the number externally. So system will not assign any number by its own. You have to give it. Okay, let's see it now. Let's close this triple A. Oh, okay. I'll go to BP again. I'll go to organization. This is fine. This is fine. Let's not put any number as of now. Let's see what system told us. System says 1500 external testing. You see, it says it's external. You have to assign a valid number. Fine. Let's say I'm trying to put 9. It says BP 9 already exists. Okay.
60070.
See, this is not falling under this number. So let's use 300070. Let's use the first number only. Okay. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 70. So now you see it has taken that number. That error has gone. Let's save it now. When you create a BP, it is not asking other thing like postal, all those things. You see, it's not important. Okay, let's save it. You see, first BP is created. Now let's see the number and number status now. Let's go back.
Z2.
It should be actually, it should increase basically. I don't know why it is not. Okay, understood. See, when system is doing internally, right? Then system knows how much it is consumed. When you are giving external, system will not know which number have you have used it. Clear? So that's why wherever you see this external checkbox, system is simply putting 0. Because system will not uh, know which number you have used, which number you have not. See, we have given 3 4 times 070. We can give 3 4 times 090 also. Randomly, if you use that number in there, system cannot count those numbers. So system simply put 0 for external. When it is internal, then only system knows, okay, system will go from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So system knows what is the current number status. Clear? Why we were not getting this one? Because it was also external. Clear? Now let's do one more thing. Let's see one thing. If I can make it okay. Now let's make it internal now.
Most of the time we will take only internal only. Deepak.
No, there is a concept actually. I don't know whether you people will understand or not, but I'll tell you it. I'll give you some basic idea. But first, let's see. This as of now we created 1500 as the external number range, right? We created a BP with a BP grouping 1500. For that BP grouping 1500, the number range was external. So that's why we have to give the number ranges. Let's try to make it internal and then let's try create another this one. Now what I told system, Z2 is my internal. Fine. And in 1500 anyway it's there, so we don't have to do any change here. 1500 anyway it's Z2. Right? Now let's try to create another customer now. I'll tell you this internal external, there is a concept actually. I'll tell you this number. Wait, I'll tell you. But let's try to first see this number. Now see this field automatically is disabled now. Now I cannot even enter it. Clear? But now what we are doing as of now, this is not the correct practice because this number you have already used it as external. Now you are giving the same number system to use. You will get some error. Let's see. I believe some error or some inconsistency will do there. Let's try to see. 1500 internal testing. You see, because this number you already used when you have marked this Z2 as external. System is also, as I told you, when you give internal, system will automatically start from beginning to the end, right? Let's say 1 to 100, system tried to create first what number? 1. Correct? So that's why system is not able to create, because when system is trying to create this number, system already found this customer number already exists. Now what I can do to solve this? There are multiple ways. First thing, what I will do, I'll go to interval, I'll go to Z2. Where is Z2? Let's avoid confuse.
Assign J2 again, Deepak.
Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not play around with Z2, because this Z2, as I told, we have already used this as an external number in. So let's not bother about that. Let's try to find out another number in which is 3. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not. Let's take this number in as an internal. For internal, we'll take this one, right? 3 to 5 times 0 to 3999, right? Okay, let's do this. Let's create one more. We will give it Z3. It was 32000.
5 times 0.
5 times 0 it was there. Okay. 3 and 2, 3.
3 all lines.
Online, right? Okay. So now I have created Z3. I have marked it as, I have not marked this external. That means it will work as an internal. Let's save it. So as of now, we have not created anything. You see the number is status is 0. That's fine. Let's go back. And what we have to do for 1500 now?
We should assign Z3.
We have to assign Z3. Let's put Z3. Let's save it. Okay, data is saved. Now let's try to create a BP with the BP grouping 1500. So automatically taking the last data which you have used actually. So that's why we don't have to enter this 1500 manually. It is already taking this one. You see this is blank. That's fine. 1500 Z3 internal testing. You see it has taken the first number. Clear? What if I create another number? Let's create another number. You see? If I create the third one.
So it is taking in a series manner. Deepak.
Serially, exactly. Because system will not take random, no. And if you
Yes.
take random, it's very difficult to know how much you have used it, right? It's very difficult to track it. For manually also, for system also, it's very difficult. So why you want your resources to bother about how you have, when you say external, system leave it up to you. You do whatever you want to do with that number. I will not bother how much it is consumed and all. When it's internal, then only I can tell you how much it is used. If I create a third one, that it is taking some time. Yeah, you see 32002. Now, but if you go here, go back, and if you see here, you see, though we have only used 3, right? 0, 1, 2, but current status it says 009, because there is some buffer. I don't know where is that buffer thing maintained. I forgot actually, to be honest. But clear?
Yes, Deepak. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now to give you a small idea, let's take 1500 only. 1500 is my BP grouping, right? And how I have assigned the number in this, internal or external?
Internal.
Internal. Okay. Yeah, let's check the latest one. So we have marked as the internal, right?
Yeah.
Now, when I extend this BP, pay attention. Okay, I don't know whether you'll understand or not, but let me give you some idea. If you get it, fine. If you don't get it, that's also fine. So BP grouping number range is internal. So you are not giving any number ranges by your own, system is taking by internal number ranges. Correct? When I will extend this BP as a customer, okay, pay attention. When I will assign this BP as a customer, that time system will again try to find out the customer number, the customer number range, right? From where it will try to find out? From which will play, which control the customer number ranges?
Yes.
Customer grouping.
No, not customer account group.
Account group, yeah.
Use this word very precisely. BP grouping is for BP. For customer, it's customer account group. Okay, let's assume there is a customer account group. Anything, let's say ZABC. Okay, let's hypothetically take it. So this is my customer account group. Okay. Now, let's say if I want my same number to be followed for ZABC also. So what is the first thing that I have to do? Here I have used Z2, right? And I have given
Yeah.
the number, let's say, I don't remember exactly, but I think this was the number I give, right?
Yes.
Now tell me the first requirement. If I want, when I extend this BP as a customer, I want the same number to follow. Let's say I am giving a number as Z4. What should be my range here? If I give, okay, let me put it this way. If I give a number range for customer account group ZABC, is number range number is Z4, and what is it from to 1 to 100? Let's say. Is it possible that I extend this BP as a customer, the same number will come?
There's an option we can see, Deepak, like the same number. If you want,
Yeah,
you can
that is
get
fine. Let's not go to that checkbox first. So tell me here only. You see the number range which I have given to BP grouping, and you see the number range which I have given to my customer account group. Is
Okay.
it possible to have the same number?
No,
Why?
No.
because it is starting from 332 something up
Right.
to 999.
And your customer account group will follow which number? 1 to 100.
Don't.
So it's never possible. If you do the config like this, it's never possible to have your same number range. So first requirement is what? You have to give the same number range basically to your BP also. To the BP grouping also, and to the same for the customer account group also. First
Got it.
requirement, correct? Then this number ranges has to be internal. When you want to follow the same number range, see when you extended your BP as a customer, right? Like Kuswant did during the initial, uh, at the starting of the class, right? Kuswant has not given any number. System has automatically taken the BP grouping. It has taken some number. When he extended the customer, system has not asked any number also, right? System has not asked any number for customer also, right? System automatically took that one, correct?
Yes.
Yes,
But
yes.
how it will happen? If you mark it internal, no, then it will not work actually. I'll tell you very honestly. This is something technical. That's what I wanted to show you. Because this number range BP to this customer account group is something internally system will handle. So you have to mark it as external. You may get confused. Why external? System is giving internally, but why Deepak is saying you have to mark this external and then internal and then same number range, then it will follow. Why? Because when you create a BP, at first what you did, you created a BP, right? BP has given a number range. 3200 anything. First number it will give to BP. The same number you want for customer also. The first requirement is you have to maintain the same number range also for BP, for the customer account group. And that internal external thing, it has to be external only. And then whatever the third thing I told you, I shown you yesterday, right? 1500 ZABC, and there was one checkbox, right? Same number range. Some checkbox was there, right?
Yes. Yes.
then only you can have the same number range. If you maintain the same, okay, let's say you maintained it same, but you have marked it internal, then maybe your number range will not follow. I'll tell you why. Okay, let's take it this way. Let's make it this way. I don't know whether it's you people are understanding. Let's make it internal. Okay, and even though, and let's say this also, since it is internal, and I have not marked the same number. Okay, let's ignore this one as of now. And why it will not work, I'll tell you. Let's say Kuswant created one customer. What will the number system will give first? System Kuswant has created one business partner. What number it will give? System will give
32000000.
000, right? Let's say Kuswant created another BP. What number it will give?
32000001.
1, right? Let's take it has created another third one. 02.
3.
Now think from that perspective. As I told you, anything you want to work as a BP, transporter, employee, anything, first it has to be created as a BP, right? So as of now, you don't know whether it's a customer or vendor, correct? Now let's see. Let's assume this is my vendor. This is my customer. And this is my sales employee. Right? Now, when Kuswant has created these three business partners, which is relevant for customer account group now? Which customer, which number?
3001.
001 only, right?
Yeah.
So what will happen when you are trying to extend this BP as this internal what do you call customer account group, system will not give 01. What it will give? 00. Well, you understood the problem, right? It's not always mandatory that whatever BP is being created, that will also be extended as the customer, like this one. This we created as a BP, that's fine, but we have not extended this BP as a customer. And when you created the second BP, that you're going to extend. So now you see it will follow a different number if you mark it internally. Because what system will do first? System will try to make it first number. What is the first number for customer? 3200. So now, does it follow the same number? BP and customer? Does it following the same number range for customer and BP?
No.
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 So how it will happen? You have to mark it external. Now see what will happen when you mark it external. Let's take again the same example. He has created three business partner, one as vendor, one as customer, one as sales employee. But now when he is trying to extend this BP as a customer, system already know which number it is, right?
Yes.
And since this is also external, system can assign this number, right? It's external. System give any number. System can give any number, right? So system will automatically take okay 32001, and since anyway the number ranges are same for BP grouping and customer. So now system can take the same number. So now you can have the same number basically. So what is the first requirement to have the same number as the BP and customer? Your number range should be same. Then your BP should have internal assignment. Your customer account group should have external number range assignment. And then that checkbox. Then only you can have the same number.
What if BP grouping is external and customer account group is internal? That is also impossible.
Which one?
BP grouping as external and customer account group as
Then also it
internal.
will not follow the same number, right? Let's say it's external. Okay, let me copy this whole thing. See, there could be multiple scenario if you think like that, but okay, let me tell you what will happen in your case, what you are thinking in your mind. Okay, you are saying this as the external, right? And this
Yes,
as the internal you want, right?
yes.
Okay. Now So let's delete all this. Let's say you are creating first BP by taking this BP grouping. What number you will give? Since it's external.
0000.
Sorry, what?
0000. First number we are giving.
No, first time we are creating, it's external. You can give any number basically, right? Between this to this.
Yes.
Why always 3200?
Okay, why?
What if let's say a new person comes and he gives like this, 3 to
Okay.
something like this.
Okay.
It's possible, right?
Yeah.
Now, if you extend this BP, let's try to create 3 actually, so that you will understand. Obviously, this 3 will not have same number. It could have definitely it will have some different number. Okay, let's take any number. That's fine. Now you are going to extend this BP. As of now, it's not customer unless you extend this to this customer, right? Customer role. Now, when you
Okay.
extend it, what is the number range you have assigned for customer?
Same number.
Same number, that's fine. But is it internal or external?
Internal.
Internal.
What is the first number it will take?
320000.
0000.
0000. So I mean, is it my requirement fulfilled to having the same number?
No, no.
No, na.
No.
So it will not follow the same number. For external, anything will for. I mean, if you want to have the different number for BP and different number for customer, anything is fine. But when you want to have the same number,
Because
yeah,
if this 320000 is already used as an internal,
right.
the same number can be used in external as well.
Okay, these two you are getting confused.
No, no. This is the first one. Like example, I'm
Okay,
taking example. Like 3246343. This vendor number.
okay,
What we have taken for the this example.
okay,
If this is already used as an external, so can we use it again for the customer group
okay.
account?
Understood. Why you're
And
okay? Understood where you're getting confused. See, this number range is a different number range, and this is a different number range actually. Okay, though it is
okay,
looking same, this number range for is for what? For BP.
BP
This
grouping.
number range is for
Customer.
customer. Think of a scenario. Let's say I am creating a sales order. Okay, I'll tell you a very simple example so you understand. Let's say I'm creating a sales order. I'm creating a delivery, and I'm creating an invoice. I can have same number, right? Because its category is different. It's a sales order. It's my delivery. It's my invoice. It can have
okay.
the same number also, right? But the categories are
Mm-hmm.
different. It's a sales order number. It's a delivery number. It's an invoice number. Similarly, you are having the same number ranges, but the category is different. No, it's BP grouping. It's for customer account. Let me go to OB this one, or I don't know. I think we are running out of time. Let's stop here only. We will continue this. Okay. I'll tell you since we have discussed this much. I'll tell you our example first. Let me quickly show you our example. The customer which we are following. You can also try to find out what is the BP in our case.
1000092.
92. Now, what is my customer? I have to go to my customer role, and then in the customer general data, I can find the customer number. It is different, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll tell you why it is different. Or you can also try to find out this business partner will have some BP grouping that you can find in BU2, BUT 000. This customer will have some customer account group that anyway you can see it here, CUST. Or you can go to KNA1 table, you can find the customer account group. Then you try to see the number range number. Obviously, it will not have the same number range number because you see the different numbers. Okay, you can try to analyze this one, why we have different number for in our case, and tomorrow we'll discuss it further.